Good evening. My name is Wang. I am an attorney with Spiegel & McDermott, representing Newport Associates Development Company, which is the owner and developer of the Newport project, a large mixed-use development located in Jersey City. Many of the Jersey City areas near the pipeline's contemplated route are already intensely developed or the subject of detailed and approved plans for intensive development. Inserting an unbuildable corridor into the heart of this dense urban area will have significant impacts on local land use patterns, the environment, and the local economy. FERC has an obligation to provide a careful and complete assessment of these localized impacts before reaching any decision with respect to the gas pipeline. Whereas here, the Commission proposes to site part of the pipeline in or near densely developed urban areas such as Newport and other parts of Jersey City, broad input-output models, population projections, and generalized statements of the project's potential impacts on nearby development are inadequate to satisfy the Commission's NEPA obligations. Instead, based on Newport's own experience with the preparation of the environmental impact statement for the Newport development, the Commission's NEPA analysis of the proposed pipeline must examine and quantify the whole range of environmental and socioeconomic impacts to Newport and Jersey City development, residents, and tenants. The NEPA document must particularly focus on the indirect and cumulative impacts of the pipeline on this complex, interrelated urban environment. This will be a special challenge in this case. Because of the dense population and varied land uses in the affected area, the impacts of the proposed pipeline will vary dramatically depending on the particular municipalities and parcels of land that will be directly affected by the final pipeline route. Relatively small physical changes in the pipeline's route could have very different and very significant negative impacts on local development patterns and the economic base of Jersey City and the region. Any decision to route the proposed pipeline through Newport, for example, would disrupt long-planned, mixed-use, transit-oriented development that is reclaiming Jersey City's abandoned industrial waterfront and is a key economic driver for Jersey City and the state. The Commission's EIS must therefore be based on a clear, specific proposal for the alignment of the proposed pipeline that identifies the particular parcels, existing and planned development, and existing and planned infrastructure that will be affected by the pipeline. This detailed information has not yet been provided by Spectra for the record of this proceeding. Scoping comments should be received and considered by the Commission after the notice date for the closing of the scoping period and after Spectra supplies the detailed information about the route and other facilities so that the public has ample opportunity to review and comment on these important matters. Thank you.